Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to show you how you can share your post on Instagram story.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your account. After that, tap on your profile icon. Now, select the post which you want to share. Tap on the share button. Now, tap on the add post to your story. Again, tap on your story option. Select if you would like to share the post on Facebook or not. And that's it. You've just shared your post on your story.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.